Omaheke region was one of the regions that was severely affected by drought last year. The Gobabis town in particular found itself in a serious water shortage as the dam totally dried out. This forced the municipality to ration out water to its residents. At the time, the dam's water levels were at 5.4%, which is about 62,000 cubic meters. According to the Gobabis municipality's chief executive officer, the water rationing measures lasted for about 4 months, which mostly negatively affected car wash businesses and garden owners. However, with the good rainfall received in the last rainy season, Ignatius Tudinanya says the dams are now at 32% full, much better than last year. On average, the town has a water demand of 85,000 cubic meters per month.
At the beginning of this current year, we had quite a good rainfall season. And as a result, we reverted back to the surface water. We are no more on the boreholes at the moment. So the situation is fine. It was a bit worrying last year when we went to starting using of the boreholes. However, in terms of water security, for now, we are in a safe space.
The NBC News team also discovered that there are some houses in Gobabis that privately own boreholes within the municipal jurisdiction. The boreholes were drilled before independence. The CEO explained that before independence, the town had about 95 privately owned boreholes, but currently there are only 40 of them privately owned and operational.
With the advent of the current Local Authorities Act, which says water provision in a town is the sole mandate of a municipality. Private people have got no license to provide water to whoever or to themselves. They must buy it from the municipality. So the municipality came in and started enforcing the new law. As a result, these people were told, either you install a water meter so that we can meter your usage of the water, or if it's not happening, we are going to seal that borehole. So the ones that operate, they are allowed to extract water up to a certain minimum, I think 50 cubic per month. If you exceed that, because there is a metering taking place, if you exceed that, then there is a penalty of $15 per cubic.
With the current water level of the dam, the Gobabis municipality is certain that its residents will not have any water shortages for the next 2 years. For NBC News, July Nafuka, D-Dam Gobabis.